finish off the front end, all I've got to do is I'm going to do a strengthening gusset there. I'm going to 45 this back and then a little strengthening plate in there. Just neaten that off, and I've got to grind this inside down, just this one here. Now I've got the offset lollipops, it's a bit close to it. And then that is the front end suspension finished. Right, Le finished producto. Just boxed it all in. Gave it a lick of black just to finish it off. But yeah, front end is now done. Actually, barring 2 big tabs to run a strut brace, but I need the engine in to work that out first. But front end's welded up. I'm super happy with that. It's come up pretty clean. I haven't painted this side, I just thought I'd try the other side. Yep. Another video done, hey? I'm had enough. I've got some errands to do and walk the dog. And hopefully get some time next week to start the rear end.